Sorry, unboxing tayo guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan, welcome here at Max Babe, okay? So, unboxing tayo guys for our free sample. I-review lang natin muna yung sample ng Solar holiday package. The items. So far, so good naman. At the end of this video, i-review ko po kung sino po ang ating seller at nag-a-approve ng package. Nag-a-approve ng samples. Ayan. Maganda naman po yung pagka-package na balot na balot. At saka, pinaka-importante po, naka-bubble wrap, no? Ang item po natin for this free sample. Oh, man. Konting silip. Ayan. Maganda po yung pagka-package ni seller, ano? Thank you, seller, for this free sample. Ayan, balot na balot siya guys. So, ang laki, pero maliit lang yung rito. Okay? Sinisecure talaga ni seller na darating sa atin na good item talaga siya. Noodles. Wow. Laki din. Wow. Thank you, seller, for this free sample. After this video, next video pala, next video guys, will be the review of the item. Okay? Check down the link that I will provide for the sellers. Follow nyo po sa seller, order na po kayo doon, and follow me. Subscribe and follow. Thank you! Ayan, so thank you seller. Thank you so much for this free sample. Shout out to, okay, review ko na guys, to Acrimey Kentucky PH. Okay, so sana I mentioned it correctly, okay? Check my link down below. Thank you guys, God bless. Bye! See you in the next video for this review.